Hi everyone, you're at Diane's Garden Videos. Thanks for stopping by. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. It's always appreciated. Enjoy the video. You know, plants that you grow outside from one year and maybe the next year they self-seed. So this particular plant that we're going to talk about is a perennial. It grows from seed as well. It just, when it blooms, it'll set seed, and then the following year I always seem to have plants growing. So they're kind of out of their area, of course, so I dug them up. And it's something you might be familiar with, and if you're not, you will be now. So I just wanted to share it with you. It's really fun to share things that surprise you sometimes. It's like, wow, I didn't know those will seed. I did not know that. But I did know that about these because they've done it for years, and that's kind of why I got them too, because I really like them. Against my house, I got coral bells. You can see them all there. A couple different varieties. I think those are the Purple Palace, and they are really good for self-seeding. So ignore my weeds, but I got two nice ones there I'm going to dig out. This one's really nice, and it looks like they're changing the colors just a little bit. Then I got a smaller one over here. So I think I got 5 total, and a little baby right there. So this one back here is self-seeded, growing a new one. Very nice. It's kind of out of place, but that's okay. But they are really good for seeding. The Purple Palace, coral bells, really nice for self-seeding. And I kind of like them for that reason. I'm always going to have plants and I can move them around. Sometimes it's easier from seed than to division. Division can be a little tough on coral bells unless you're digging the whole mound out. I've found success with doing it right before they start leafing out in the spring. I found pretty good success. So I just wanted to share what I'm doing here. See if I can do this holding my phone. Yes, I have a stand, but I'm not using it. So I'm just going to dig down. There we go. Nice. Look at that. Try to get as much soil as I can. Isn't that a nice looking plant? Wow. And it's free. It's a freebie. All right, so I got them potted. I actually stuck 2 in a couple of them so they look nice and full, but look at that one. That one looks really good. So now I got 3 new plants that will make 3 new mounds of coral bells. Isn't that wonderful?